Devon Wisdom has been an athlete for most of his life. He attended the Hope Valley Primary School, where he participated in cricket, football, and track and field. Wisdom transitioned to Arden High School, where he played football and basketball. He also played basketball at the national level for Jamaica. In 2008, he started working at the Institute of Sports or in sports as a sports officer, where he became intrigued by badminton after attending a workshop.
Play basketball throughout my school life. Didn't know anything about badminton. In 2014, my work, it is in sport, they sent me to a workshop by GC Foster, a badminton workshop. First time seeing badminton, first time doing anything about badminton. I went there with an open mind and I said, let me just give the sport a try. Did the workshop, we was there for about 4 hours and it was very good. And from the workshop, I fell in love with the sport.
Badminton became a speciality for Wisdom.
I did the level one coaching course in 2015, and they put me on to, if I could call his name, Trevor McCain, which is one of the trainer for the umpire locally. I went with him on a training, and from then I started going to tournaments. I did the umpire test, and I passed it, become one of the country's national umpire. And then from there, took it on seriously. I was supposed to go to international to get certified. COVID came in 2020 and kind of set us back. So then I went, in 2023, I went to Peru, which I did the international course, and I was successful. And I am now officially a Pan Am umpire, one of Jamaica. There's only 3 of us here. Well, one is retired, so it's only myself and Joseph and Joshua Clark. There's only 2 of us here in Jamaica right now, which is Pan Am accredited.
According to Wisdom, there are specific skill sets needed to become an umpire.
For you to be at an advanced umpire, you need more games, you need more on court. Yeah, you could watch YouTube, you could watch those videos, but you have to be on spot in the game. Because sometimes you have to make decisions on spot, and the only way to get experience is to be on the court.
He says, while badminton is not as popular, it does have the potential to become a more common sport. For the news on PBCJ, I'm Chanel Matthews.